What's going on, guys? This is John over at Heartland Honda. Today we will be going over the two extremes on the side-by-side world. On my left here we have got a Pioneer 1000 6-seater. This is going to be your more camping, job site, anything utility based, with a dump bed rated for 1,000 pounds and a tow capacity of 2,500 pounds. On my right side here, we have got a more of you sport side-by-side. It's more about going fast and making memories. You've got launch control, intelligent four-wheel drive, pretty much anything you need to get to the power to the ground as quick as you can. Today with me, I've got the Pioneer 1000 6-seater Deluxe. You've got everything that you need on it to do job sites, campsites, anything off-road and on-road. You've got the additional storage under the front and rear seats, along with the 1,000 dump bed capacity and the 2,500 pound tow rating. Take you pretty much anywhere you need, both job sites, campsites, anywhere. On my right, I've got our TALON 1000R 4-seater edition, packaged out with our Fox Live valve suspension system, boasting a 13-inch ground clearance and a 20-inch suspension travel on the rear. It's got Honda's intelligent four-wheel drive system, launch control, and hill start assist to take you on any trails or dunes that you could want to go on, a purpose-built machine to take you anywhere you want to go. And whether you need 2 seats, 6 seats, or 4 seats, come to Heartland Honda so we can get you set up on a utility or a sports vehicle so you can have the Honda reliability meshed with the DCT transmission and our expert staff to get you in the right one that you need. We'll see you soon.